All right. These are the elevators at the located in the East Tower at the CHI Health St. Elizabeth in Lincoln, Nebraska. I don't know what kind of this is, but we'll find out. These are Adams Epco W signature fixtures. Yep. LL. Oh, these are Dover. They are modernized by Montgomery. Oh, they're traction. 6, 5, 4, 3. Oh, 3 works. They're missing skipping level 2. So let's go down to 1. That indicator, that lantern, kind of like one on eBay. It's a nice elevator. We have dual buttons. Capacity is made by O'Keefe. This is a Dover, modernized by Montgomery, because the 4, 5, and 6 is locked off.
Okay. You got it?
Yep.